How to set up two-factor authentication in Pocket Option. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you're trying to secure your Pocket Option account with two-factor authentication, then here's how you do it. First of all, open up the Pocket Option application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon or your avatar. Now, go ahead and tap on Profile from the left-hand side menu. In the expanded menu, click on Security. Now, click on Google Authenticator inside Two-Factor Authentication. You'll receive an email. You'll need to go ahead and check the email and authenticate the access, and you'll see this kind of an interface. To enable two-factor authentication, you'll need to download the Google Authenticator app on your device. Go visit your App Store or your Google Play Store and download the two-factor authentication app, that is Google Authenticator. Once you have this application installed, you can now get back to the Pocket Option app and then click on this Copy Key button. Once you've copied the key, get back to Google Authenticator app, tap the plus icon at the bottom right, and click on Enter Setup Key. Now, right where you see your key, paste in the key that you copied. In the code name, you can write Pocket Option so that you can recognize it later. And once done, click on Add at the bottom. Now you've added the Pocket option. You'll see a 6-digit code generated. You can now tap on the code to copy it. Get back to Pocket Option app and enter the code generated and click Confirm. And now you have enabled Google Authenticator or the two-factor authentication in your Pocket Option app. Right under Google Authenticator, you'll see the active option. That means you have enabled two-factor authentication. Now you can go ahead and select when you'd like to use the authenticator. You can choose to use it while login or withdrawal. You can also select to enable both of them. So there you have it. That's how you easily set up two-factor authentication in Pocket Option. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.